Ganja is not our problem. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw tells Canex the weed is Jamaica's solution. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, flooding and devastation. Tropical storm Kirk wreaks havoc in the Eastern Caribbean.
Fee hike. Transport Authority increases the cost for taxi licenses.
And in the financial week, stronger growth. Statin says economic expansion in June quarter was the strongest for 2 years.
Cutting the sugar with Cinco Group to reduce the amount of sweetener in its beverages delivered to schools.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the government passing legislation to prevent transport operators from taking legal action to recover fees that were collected illegally?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.